Duke Dr. Kouch Mengly presents graduation certificates to 620 students of AII Language Center. On the morning of April 29, 2023, the AII Language Center held an English, Chinese, and Thai language certification ceremony for 620 students in Phnom Penh under the high presidency of Duke Dr. Kouch Mengly, founder, chairman and CEO of Mengly J. Company Kouch Education and the management of the AII Language Center, teachers, academic staff, students, and parents in large numbers. Graduation Day in the 2023 school year is a wonderful and meaningful day for the students of the AII Language Center, as well as teachers and parents. Speaking on the occasion of awarding certificates to the students of the AII Language Center at the Institute of Technology of Cambodia, Duke Dr. Kouch Mengly said that this program is for students who have successfully graduated from the AII Language Center, including the junior level program. Adult Chinese and Thai language classes for adults. What makes the AII Language Center different from other schools is that the AII Language Center has a clear vision, mission, and structure, and the curriculum is carefully selected by the school committee and the school. There are also extracurricular programs to provide additional opportunities for students to participate. More importantly, the teachers at his educational institutions are all pedagogical, have many years of experience, and pay attention to teaching. According to him, due to the support of all parents or guardians, the AII Language Center has grown to the present day. In addition, we have expanded our 7th branch in Siem Reap and are receiving support from local students and parents. In the future, the AII Language Center will continue to expand to Takeo, Kampong Cham, Banti Ninchi, and Battambang. He said that through the large number of students, this overwhelming AII Language Center reflects the growth and efforts of the leadership and staff at all levels, teachers to maintain both the high growth of international enrollment and quality of education. He acknowledges that training people to become real intellectuals is difficult because it requires constant monitoring and that leaders must be smart. At the same time, he also instructed the students to continue their efforts to study and research more to become a potential human resource for the nation. Duke Dr. Kouch Mengly continued that study is not a degree, it is a lifelong study, there is no end, and to be a truly capable human resource is knowledge, experience, and ethics. The Duke also reminded all students to know who they are, what they are doing, and why. Please be informed that AII Language Center is known throughout the country for its quality, discipline, and unique service and is recognized as one of the most innovative and energetic educational institutions in Cambodia. The 7 branches, including Mao Tse Tung, Tul Kork, Chuk Anger, Kom Chau, Sarthmay, Kroi Changba, Siem Reap, and the 8th branch in Takeo, will open on June 12, 2023.